ever feel like your hair keeps getting flatter no matter what you do? Here's the truth. It's not your hair that's the problem, it's how you're styling it. In this video, you'll discover 5 stylist-approved hairstyle tricks that can instantly make thin hair look fuller, thicker, and more youthful, especially for women over 60. Let's get right into it. Let's start with a timeless favorite, the layered bob. If your hair has started to feel limp or lifeless, layers can make a world of difference. They add shape, bounce, and that soft, natural-looking movement that instantly makes thin hair appear fuller and more dimensional. As we age, many women over 50 notice that their hair begins to lose density, especially around the crown, temples, and sides. A layered bob works beautifully to disguise those thinner spots while bringing back that youthful, healthy fullness we all love. When you visit your stylist, ask for soft, blended layers that fall naturally into one another, rather than sharp or heavily textured ones. Harsh layers can actually make fine hair look stringy or uneven, so the goal is to create gentle, seamless volume that moves as you do. It's the kind of cut that looks effortless, even when you haven't spent much time styling it. A slightly shorter length, right around the chin or just below it, can make a surprising difference too. It draws attention upward, giving your face a natural lift, and adds that fresh, modern edge without being too bold or dramatic. This length also keeps the ends of your hair looking denser, which is perfect if your strands have become finer or more delicate over time. If you've been wearing your hair long for years and notice it starting to hang flat, trimming it into a layered bob can instantly bring back shape and life. It's one of those simple, confidence-boosting changes that doesn't require a full makeover, but still makes you feel refreshed and polished. Plus, it's easy to maintain, works well with natural grays or highlights, and looks flattering on just about every face shape. And the best part is that this style grows out gracefully, so you won't need constant salon visits to keep it looking good. It's a perfect blend of practicality and beauty, like something most of us appreciate more and more after 50. Now, if you love a softer, more romantic style that doesn't require a ton of maintenance, you'll really enjoy the next trick. It's all about adding body and movement without cutting too much length. Soft waves are one of the easiest ways to make thin hair look naturally thicker. When the hair has that gentle bend and movement, it catches the light differently, giving it more texture and depth. This trick works beautifully for women over 50 whose hair may have lost some of its natural body over time. It adds that effortless, touchable volume that makes the hair look alive again. You don't need a full salon setup to achieve this look. A large barrel curling iron, hot rollers, or even a blow dryer with a round brush can do the trick. The secret is to avoid tight curls. Keep the waves soft and loose so they blend together naturally and give the hair a fuller appearance. It's all about creating flow and bounce, not stiffness. Before styling, use a heat protectant to shield your strands from damage, then apply a lightweight volumizing mousse at the roots. Once you've added the waves, finish with a light mist of texture spray instead of heavy hairspray. This keeps your hair soft, touchable, and full of movement throughout the day. Soft waves are also flattering for every face shape and length, whether you wear your hair in a bob or shoulder-length cut. It's a simple way to look more polished without looking overly styled, and it works beautifully for any occasion. If you struggle with thin hair that tends to separate or fall flat at the top, there's a simple trick that can instantly change the way your hair frames your face. A middle part might seem classic, but it often highlights thinning areas, especially along the crown and scalp line. When hair starts to lose density with age, a straight part down the center can make that even more noticeable. This is where switching to a side part becomes a simple yet powerful trick. It's one of those small changes that can completely change how your hair looks and feels. A side part instantly creates lift at the roots, giving your hair a natural boost without teasing or extra products. It shifts the weight of your hair to one side, which helps disguise any sparse areas and makes the overall shape look fuller. The added asymmetry also gives the illusion of volume and brings more dimension to the face, which is especially flattering for women with fine or thinning hair. You can experiment to find the side that feels most natural for you. A deep side part gives more drama and height, perfect for special occasions or when you want that lifted look. A softer, more natural side part works beautifully for everyday wear and helps the hair fall in a way that frames the face gently. This small styling trick also has a surprising anti-aging effect. The movement and asymmetry soften facial lines and highlight your best features, making your overall look appear more youthful and balanced. It's one of those easy tweaks that takes seconds to do but makes a visible difference. Now that we've added some lift at the roots, let's move on to a cut that keeps that airy, voluminous look going all day long. This next one is a stylist favorite for a reason. This cut is truly a game changer for women with mature hair. As we age, our hair naturally becomes finer and loses some of its bounce, and that's where a feathered cut really shines. It uses soft, graduated layers that taper gently toward the ends, creating that light, airy texture that moves beautifully with every turn of your head. It's one of those styles that brings life back into the hair without sacrificing any of its thickness. The feathered cut works best on short to medium lengths, making it a wonderful choice for women who want a low-maintenance style that still feels fresh and full. The gentle layering helps frame the face, softening strong features and giving your look a more youthful lift. It's especially flattering for women with fine or thinning hair because the feathery layers create the illusion of volume without weighing the hair down. When styling, the technique matters as much as the cut. Use a round brush while blow-drying and direct the ends away from your face. This helps create that signature feathered movement that looks naturally full and lifted. You can add a small amount of lightweight mousse or volumizing spray at the roots before drying to enhance the body without stiffness. The goal is to keep the hair light, touchable, and full of natural flow. This style also works well with natural grey or silver hair since the feathered texture allows light to reflect more evenly, giving your strands a healthy, luminous sheen. It's easy to maintain and grows out gracefully, which makes it ideal for anyone who wants a flattering look that doesn't require constant salon visits. Now that we've covered volume and movement, let's talk about the iconic style that always delivers fullness, texture, and confidence, no matter your hair type or length. The pixie cut is one of those timeless styles that continues to flatter women over 50 and 60 because it celebrates confidence and personality. It's easy to assume that shorter hair means less styling freedom, but with the right cut and texture, a pixie can make thin hair look surprisingly full. When styled correctly with a bit of volume on top and light texture throughout, it gives the appearance of density and bounce that many women start to lose as their hair thins with age. The key to a flattering pixie is balance. Ask your stylist to add soft, blended layers on top and just a bit of tapering at the sides and nape. This keeps the shape light and lifted instead of flat. The top layers create the illusion of height, while the shorter sides keep the look clean and modern. A tousled finish adds movement and fullness, especially when styled with a texturizing cream or mousse. Use your fingertips to gently lift and shape the hair rather than combing it flat. This style is also incredibly easy to maintain, making it a perfect choice for women who want to spend less time styling but still look put together. You can air dry it for a relaxed, casual feel or add a quick blow dry for extra lift. Because it frames the face so beautifully, it can even make your cheekbones appear more defined and draw attention to your eyes. Another benefit of the tousled pixie is that it grows out gracefully. You can easily reshape it into a slightly longer crop or add a bit of fringe for variety. It's a style that adapts with you, whether you want something edgy and bold or soft and feminine. Best of all, it gives off a sense of confidence and freedom that feels empowering at any age. So, which of these hairstyle tricks are you most excited to try first? Remember, great hair isn't about age, but it's about finding what makes you feel beautiful and confident right now. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll want to stick around for the next one.